Obamcare Act has long-lasting impact on the 2014 tax filing season. Everyone was hoping that this act will not be in place. Either Congress will do something, or there will be it will be termed as unconstitutional by Supreme Court. But nothing happened, so we have to face it. So it's there, glaring in everyone's eyes. So this is going to impact a lot of things. Number one, everyone individual in US needs to get a medical insurance. So they have created a new definition which is known as household. Household includes you, your spouse, and anyone dependent. All these people needs to be covered with medical insurance. It includes foreign citizens coming from abroad, and if they are here for more than 6 months, they need to get medical insurance. Now, whether they take visitor coverage insurance, whether it covers medical insurance, that's a question that's not clear as yet. But they need to have a medical insurance if they are here for more than 6 months. For US citizens going abroad, working in foreign countries, they still have to. It covers them too, provided they are not here for more than 330 days in a year, or people who are claiming for earned income exclusions. So it's a very broad act. So it has two new forms, Form 8962 and Form 8965. So if you are getting medical insurance either through your employer, or if you don't get medical insurance through your employer, you should get your medical insurance through a marketplace. If you're getting a medical insurance through a marketplace, you will be getting a new form 1095A. So that new form should be in place by the end of the month of February. So once you get that form 1095A, we have to put that information on Form 8962, which is known as for calculating the premium tax credit, for reconciling the payment you made and what should have been your premium. Reconciliation should have been done under Form 8962. There are certain exemptions you can claim. There are about 19 exemptions that you can claim. 10 can be claimed on return, and 5 can be claimed on the marketplace, and 4 can be claimed either from marketplace or tax return. So if you can claim those exemptions, then you don't need to have a medical insurance. There's hardship exemption as well, and it's based upon the premium exceeding 8% of your household income. So there are certain exemptions you can claim. It's a certain formula you have to work on. You have to file the Form 8965 for claiming that exemption. This tax season, when you go online or do anything else, go with a tax preparer. Be ready with the questions they are going to ask you about whether you're covered, your family is covered, and if you don't reply in the positive, then they will be calculating a shared payment responsibility, which is like a penalty, which is equal to 1% of your gross income, or $1.95 per individual. For last year, this year is going to go up to $325 per individual. Next year it will be like $650 per individual. So that's substantial increase, and it's also based upon a certain percentage of your gross income, whichever is higher. So it's increasing every now and then. We hope that this will be something which will be taken care of by the next Congress. But right now, this is glaring in everyone's eyes, and this is something we have to be careful about. And we have to get medical insurance either through the W-2s, through the employment, or outside.